Old Bay hot sauce is finally out. But it sold out within minutes because of those super annoying eBay flippers. Seriously guys, what the hell? Super annoying. So I decided to do the next best thing. I'm gonna make my own Old Bay hot sauce. Are you with me? Let's do this. Anybody can follow. It's literally 3 ingredients. It can be 2 for you. I'm starting, of course, with Old Bay seasoning. The good, old-fashioned, traditional, the best seafood seasoning out there, Old Bay. Next, I'm also going to use a vinegar-based hot sauce. You can use any of them, Tabasco. I'm using Decent Hot Sauce by Coney Island Saucery. Awesome sauce. You can check out the review for this sauce up here somewhere if you want. You can also click on the link in the description if you want to pick some of this stuff up. This is a really good, smooth vinegar sauce, not too spicy, so I'm using this as my base because I'm not that great of a hot sauce maker yet. And then I'm also going to spice it up a little bit just because I like it a little hot with this delicious habanero garlic pepper by Savory Select Seasonings. I'll also have the link in the description if you want to check this stuff out as well. I'm just going to use this to amplify the heat a little bit. All right, let's start making it. Okay, one last sip before I mix it. Damn, that stuff's good. Okay, so I'm gonna start by just emptying this entire bottle of hot sauce in the blender. Every last drop, get it in there. Then I'm just gonna do a single tablespoon to start of Old Bay, just so it's not overpowering. We can always add more, but you can't take any away. All right, so about 1 tablespoon. Pour that in there. I'm also gonna add about half a tablespoon of that habanero garlic pepper. Let's blend. And blend. Now the next best thing to do is give it a taste. Woo. This is good looking stuff. Let's give it a taste. Needs more Old Bay. I'm gonna add another tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning in here. And blend some more. Wow. So amazing. Has a good amount of kick to it. It has that perfect Old Bay flavor. Okay. 1 bottle of your preferred vinegar-based hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning, and then you could be done, or you can spice it up a little bit with your preferred additive. Now, the only thing left to do is an official taste test with some seafood. The ultimate test. I have some shrimp here. I have my hot sauce, my Old Bay hot sauce ready to go. I have the rest saved for later. Let's give it a taste. Oh, it's seriously so good. It's got that vinegar forward Old Bay aftertaste that just lingers in there. Perfect on the shrimp. This is gonna go super well with any seafood that you have, any chicken that you have, anything that you love Old Bay with. I could eat this stuff all day. All right, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know what you think of it. Hopefully I'll be able to try the actual Old Bay hot sauce soon. I'm really looking forward to trying that stuff. And if you want to watch another hot sauce review, click right here, and I'll see you there, my friends.